you have any comments for your family and friends back home?
I don't like this stuff.
What stuff?
My medicine. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's good.
I can't see anything. Hi. I love you. Oh my gosh, your face is over here.
Is that better? That's my nose.
I fell off the bed.
No, you didn't.
No, you're still
No,
intact.
you're
there.
still on the bed, honey. You didn't fall off.
Don't chew the beep beep cord, okay?
I like this medicine.
Mm-hmm. And keep your finger in there.
Hey, Aaron. We'll see you later. Love you.
I love you too.